Hello friends, today I am going to explain you the lesson जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. The poet of this poem is Shailendra Kumar. He was born in the year 1923. His real name is Shankare Das Kesarilal. He was the famous Hindi music lyricist. He got 3 Filmfare Awards and he was expired in the year 1966. Let us read the complete poem. होंठों पे सच्चाई रहती है जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. मेहमा जो हमारा होते हैं वो जान से प्यारा होता है. ज़्यादा का नहीं लालच हमको, थोड़े में गुजारा होता है. बच्चों के लिए जो धरती माँ सदियों से सभी कुछ सहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. कुछ लोग जो ज़्यादा जानते हैं इंसान को कम पहचानते हैं. ये पूरब है पूरब वाले हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं. मिलजुल के रहो और प्यार करो, एक चीज़ यही तो रहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. जो जिससे मिला सीखा हमने, गैरों को भी अपनाया हमने. मतलब के लिए अंधे होकर रोटी को नहीं पूजा हमने. अब हम तो क्या सारी दुनिया से कहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. होंठों पे सच्चाई रहती है जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. The first stanza. होंठों पे सच्चाई रहती है जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. Always there is a truth on the lips and where they are pure at heart. They are the citizens of that country where the river Ganga flows. Where the river Ganga flows? River Ganga flows in India. It flows in the Indian country. So here the citizens, here we are the people of Indian country. Okay. स्टैंजा. मेहमा जो हमारा होता है वो जान से प्यारा होता है. ज़्यादा का नहीं लालच हमको, थोड़े में गुजारा होता है. Whoever the relatives are there, they are more important for us. They are more important than our lives. Means we give more respect, we care a lot for them. And we don't have any greedy. We will be satisfied with something. Means we will be satisfied with what we have. We don't expect from others to give us. So whatever we have, we will be happy in that only. बच्चों के लिए जो धरती माँ सदियों से सभी कुछ सहती है. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. Here what the poet is saying, from number of years this motherland is bearing a lot for their children. See, we are the children of motherland. Motherland doesn't say that I'm having a heavy load, you please move from here. Like that the motherland won't say anything. Whatever the children is doing, either good or bad, everything this motherland is bearing. So we are the children, we are the people of that citizen where the river Ganga flows. So where the river Ganga flows in Indian country. So we are the people of that country. कुछ लोग जो ज़्यादा जानते हैं इंसान को कम पहचानते हैं. ये पूरब है पूरब वाले हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं. See here what the poet is saying, some people might have more knowledge, they are very good at knowledge, but they don't know the value of the life. They don't know any value, but we are the people of that country where we know the value of each and every life. We know the value of each and every creature. So we are the people of that country where the river Ganga flows. So where the river Ganga flows in Indian country. मिलजुल के रहो और प्यार करो, एक चीज़ यही तो रहती है, हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. See, the only thing we know is to live together and to love and care for everyone. We are the people of that country where the river Ganga flows. Means we like to be live together. We see here in India we can see more joint families. They care for each other. They show more affection. So we are the people of that great country where the river Ganga flows. So the Ganga flows in Indian country. So we are the citizens of that great country. जो जिनसे मिला सीखा हमने, गैरों को भी अपनाया हमने, मतलब के लिए अंधे होकर रोटी को नहीं पूजा हमने. See, here what the poet is saying, with whomever we meet, we'll gain some knowledge, we'll learn something from them. Even we accepted the Britishers also. Means, see how much trouble they gave for us, how many years they what we can say, how many years they ruled us, even though we paid everything with we didn't give any harm to them. Means, for our sake, or we don't like to give any kind of harm to others for our sake. If there is a trouble for us also, we will accept with a smile. We won't give any kind of harm to other people. If there is a pain for us also, we will accept that. अब हम तो क्या, सारी दुनिया से कहती है, हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. Not only we, but also every country speaks out about this thing. They talk among themselves that we are the people of that great country where the river Ganga flows. Every country likes the tradition culture of our country. They were inspired from our country. They like a tradition. They like many qualities of Indian people. So we are the people of that great country where the river Ganga flows. होंठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है, हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. So finally, where there is a truth and pure at heart, we are the people of that country where the river Ganga flows. So children understood. So here the poet is describing about the nature of the Indian people and the greatness of the Indian country. See here in this poem the poet described many great good qualities of the Indian people. Many other countries, foreigners also like our Indian tradition and culture. That much great is our country. So we are very lucky to born in this great country. We are the people of that great country where the river Ganga flows. So we are the people of Indian country. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood this poem. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.